Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. I hope you are doing well today. I have another recipe video to share, and for today it is a cooking instead of baking, and this is using hamburger patties, so I call it hamburger soup. It is very simple to make, and my boys, they are 7 and 11, 7-11, they really like it, so it's a win-win. If you like to make it as well, maybe your kids gonna like it as well. Give the video a try or the recipe a try and check out the full video. I'll see you soon again. Bye. So here I am using 4 beef burger. Obviously you can use ground beef, but I use beef burger. It's frozen, they are frozen, so you just want to kind of brown it or soften it and crumble it. Once beef or meat already brown or softened or crumble, add in about 1.5 frozen mixed veggies. Just give a quick rinse. And stir for like 2 minutes. This is on low heat. And pour in 1 tin of condensed tomato soup. And 1 tin of chicken broth. Followed with 1 can of black beans. This is rinsed from the can, about 540 milliliter. And bring mixture to boil. Once boiling, add a pinch of parsley and 1 tablespoon of chives. Also a pinch of paprika powder. Half tablespoon of taco seasoning. And a drop or 2 of smoke liquid. Then add in about 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna use these pouches that I have at home. So yeah, that about 3 pouches or 3. I'm not sure what it is. It is a box. Is it a box? A pouch? Or packaging? And we're just gonna boil it until veggies are tender. And that's about it. Your hamburger soup will be ready soon.